So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do with Claude is you can ask it for resources and links. For example, you can go ahead and say, give me links from where I can learn more about computers. Can you refer academic book resources, please? So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll actually go ahead and search the internet for different resources. And then what happens is that it'll go ahead and say these are free textbooks. And you can see that it gives source as well. So you can go ahead and then search out contents right here. So you can see that there's free textbooks and so forth. And it even goes ahead and gives me links right here. Let me just go ahead and say I want to learn about quantum computing. Give me Wikipedia links related to them. So now if I were to actually go ahead and do that, I can be specific with the particular website as well. And you can see that it gives me links right here. Like if I were to go ahead and click, I can go ahead and open out link right here. And I got linked to those resources as you can see right here. So I can simply go ahead and click right here and open, and then I get to that particular page. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then ask Claude for resources and links as needed. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe